my name is Jaden, and welcome to our tutorial on how to use an ad code at Mission College. Step 1. If your class hasn't passed the census date yet, once you receive your ad code, you'll be ready to add your course. Start by navigating to the Mission College main page at missioncollege.edu. Click on My Portal at the top right of the page. You'll need your student email and password, which were sent to you via email after you registered at Mission College. Once logged into your portal, go to the Registration and Records tab at the top of your screen. Click on Registration. Select the term you want to apply for and click Continue. You'll use the CRN, course registration number, of your course. Click on Enter CRNs and input the CRN of the course. Enter the ad code in the authorization code field, and then the red Submit button on the bottom right. Once it says Registered next to your course, you're registered successfully. With these steps, you'll be able to use your ad code efficiently and add your desired course to your schedule.